Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add this pads to your look in DTI. So I ever wish you could bring a furry bestie into your DTI fits. Now you can, and this must try hack show you how you can add adorable pet like companions to your runway look. No VIP needed and 100% all worthy. So let's see here. I have this cute cat around me with my outfits, and let me show you how you can create yours. So by using this trick, you can create cats, a bunny, or maybe dogs. You can just choose the pets that you want. First, you can put on this fur hat and use the adjustment feature. So bring it to your left or right. I'm going to go left and lower it down like this. Then adjust the scale. Okay. And after that, you can choose the color that you like. So for me, I'm using this orange color for the cats. And then you can just add to this and put on the cat ears bandana. And again, use the adjustment features like this. And then you can go with this and adjust the scale again. Okay, I'm going to use the same color like the fur. And next, I'm going to put on this whisker and use the adjustment feature again. Like this, lower it. And I'm going to adjust the scale again. Okay. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use this earrings at the top and color it black. Now you can just reposition it like this and adjust the scale. Okay. So you can adjust it to how you like it. And after that, you are done. You can also put a mouth if you want to by using this. I'm going to use this bows and change into type 2 and change the color into pink. I think this color's in here. And again, you can use the adjustment feature like this and adjust the scale. Adjust the position and lower it down. Okay, I'm going to make the scale smaller in here. And that's basically it. So guys, I hope you like this hack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.